Welcome to Lakshya Institute Pathankot channel. So today in lecture 10 we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous NEET examination for class 11 for chapter 10th cell cycle and cell division. So let's start with the video. Question first, this option gives the correct sequence of events during mitosis. Option A is condensation, nuclear membrane assembly, crossing over, segregation and telophase. Option B is condensation, arrangement of equator, centromer, division, segregation and telophase. Option C is condensation, crossing over, nuclear membrane assembly, segregation and telophase. Option D is condensation, nuclear membrane assembly, arrangement of equator, centromer, division, segregation and telophase. The right answer for this question is option D. Condensation is to nuclear membrane assembly, to arrangement of equator, to centromer division, to segregation, to telophase. Question second. When a cell has a stalled DNA replication fork, which checkpoint should be predominantly activated? Option A is G2 by M. Option B is G1 by M. Option C is M. Option D is both G2 by M and M. The right answer is option A, G2 by M. Question third. Anaphase promoting complex APC is a protein degradation machinery necessary for proper mitosis of animal cells. If APC is defective in a human cell, which of the following is expected to occur? Option A is chromosome will not condense. Option B is chromosomes will not segregate. Option C is recombination of chromosomes arms will occur. Option D is chromosome will be fragmented. The right answer to this question is option B, chromosomes will not segregate. Question fifth, spindle fibers attach onto. Option A is kinetochores of the chromosome. Option B is centromer of the chromosome. Option C is telomere of the chromosome. And option D is kinetosome of the chromosome. The right answer is option A, kinetochore of the chromosome. Question 5. This is not a characteristic feature during mitosis in somatic cell. Option A is disappearance or nucleolus. Option B is spindle fibers. Option C is synapses. And option D is chromosome movement. The right answer is option C, synapses. Question 6. Arrange the following events of meiosis in the correct sequence. Crossing over, synapses, terminalization of chiasmata, disappearance of nucleolus. Option A is second, first, third, fourth. Option B is second, first, fourth, third. Option C is second, third, fourth, first. And option D is first, second, third and fourth. The right answer of this is the sequence A, second, first, third and fourth is the right. Question 7. During which phase of the cell cycle the amount of DNA in a cell remains at 4C level if the initial amount is denoted at 2C? The option A is G2 and M. Option B is only G2. Option C is G1 and S. Option D is GO and GA1. The right answer for this question is option B, only G2. Question 8. Enzyme recombinase is required at which stage of meiosis? Option A is dikinase, option B is diplotin, option C is zygotine, and option D is picotin. The right answer for this question is option D, picotin. Question 9. Chromosomes during meiosis 1 start pairing at option A is lipotine, option B is zygotine, option C is picotin, and option D is diplotin. The right answer is option B, zygotine. The last question for this lecture is identify the meiotic stage in which the homologous chromosomes separate while the sister chromatids remains associated at the centromers. The first option is metaphase 1, the second option is metaphase 2, the third option is anaphase 2, and the last option is anaphase 1. The right answer for this question is option D, that is anaphase 1.